Struggling to support your climbing plants or vines? What if you could straighten them with one hand in just a few seconds? These RamPro 40-piece plant clips are a total game changer for gardeners. Let's dive in. Hey gardening enthusiasts, welcome to Smart Bloom, your go-to channel for the best gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're reviewing the RamPro 40-piece plant support clips. Hit that subscribe button to join our Smart Bloom community for more garden hacks. The RamPro 40-piece green gardening clips are just perfect for supporting and straightening plant stems, stalks, and vines. This set includes 20 small 1-inch clips and 20 large 1 3/4-inch clips, all made from durable, weatherproof plastic with strong, spring steel wire. Ideal for tomatoes, cucumbers, roses, and more, these clips really solve the hassle of tying or damaging delicate plants. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardening. Here's how to use RamPro plant clips in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pinch the handles with one hand to open. Super simple. Step 2. Place the clip around the stem and a support like a stake or trellis. Step 3. Release to secure. Your plants stay upright and healthy. It's honestly the easiest plant support tool for 2025. So, I actually use these RamPro clips on my Florida balcony to support my climbing roses. And honestly, they held up perfectly, even during a stormy week. The green color really blends into the foliage, and the spring steel keeps stems secure without causing any harm. Pro tip: use the small clips for delicate seedlings and the large ones for heavy vines like cucumbers. Some users do mention the clips can break if you over-tighten them, so just handle them gently. Oh, and bonus tip: you can totally reuse them next season. Just clean them with water. So, here's why I love these RamPro gardening clips. The Pro's one-hand operation, weatherproof design, and you can reuse them for years. They're awesome for tomato cages and vine support. The cons: they can break if you over-tighten, and they're not really great for very thick stems. But honestly, these clips made my garden look super neat and actually saved my plants from wind damage. Amazing! Do you use plant clips? Share your tips in the comments. These RamPro 40-piece plant clips are perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who are growing tomatoes, cucumbers, or climbing flowers. They're ideal for beginners or really anyone who needs easy plant support tools for small gardens. Just a heads up though, they're not suited for large tree branches. Ready to support your plants like a pro? Go ahead and grab the RamPro 40-piece plant clips on Amazon. Link is below. What plants do you use clips for? Drop your ideas in the comments. I reply to all of them. If you loved this review, hit like and subscribe to Smart Bloom for the latest gardening tools and tips in 2025.